From your ex-wife's car? Or your wife's ex-car?
Well,
Your ex-wife's ex-car?
I don't have an ex-wife yet.
That you know. That's the spirit.
What are you using? Why have you not cut that yet?
Because I don't want to cut it too short.
What are you doing?
I'm tying up the brake caliper. Watch out.
I know you're gonna blind somebody.
I got it. Watch out. We both have glasses. We're fine.
All right.
Yeah, I don't.
Nathan, I'm not worried. What is going on here? Can you cut that, please?
It's fine. I don't want to waste it. We'll put it in here. Now it's safe.
We'll have 2 pieces of mechanics wire.
It's safe.
They'll both be useful. Both of them. You boys like Mexico? It specifically says don't use an impact.
I regret everything in my life that's led me to this decision that I'm doing right now.
Regret nothing.
Don't mind that noise.
Sorry, something cool is happening over here, Max. I don't know.
I don't know if I would describe this as cool. Stupid, probably. I'm gonna take a vice, not advice. This is not good advice, by the way. This is just a vice.
It won't come out. That's not gonna happen. You won't do that.
I know.
I mean, the radiator might be broken.
Is this even bent?
I wouldn't even.
I don't even think it's bent.
There's no.
We've got that we've identified as problems is the axle is definitely bent. That is no good.
Is this even bent?
I wouldn't even.
I don't even think it's bent.
There's no.
He said their test was flawed.
Oh, is there a condom wrapper back here?
A what?
I am a bodywork master.
I mean, I wouldn't call it. This is not really square.
But I got it lined up. You just get the out of it.
It's
Whoa. This was not very well planned. I'm not a mechanic. I'm a customer support specialist.
it's true.
Taking out the axle. It's out now. I wish I didn't care about these floors. Look at it.
You got those cushy gloves on.
And it'll bottom out because the bolt goes through it.
Yeah. It won't work.
It's stuck now.
You guys. Slide it up. See better now than I did in the past 10 minutes. If you only had one moment,
Mom spaghetti.
would you capture it? Would you eat some mom spaghetti? Should we swap over our crash sensors?
Yeah.
Or get rid of them for weight reduction?
Yes. To both.
Weight reduction.
I hate axles so much.
Wheels on.
Ah! I broke my finger again.
All right. Well, what's your issue?
Put it in. I give up.
Is that comfortable?
No.
Looks pretty comfortable.
A few moments later. 20 minutes later.
This should not be this difficult of a job.
No, it shouldn't.
These toes.
1 hour later. 2 hours later.
I think you had a little bit of movement there.
It's moving.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards. Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
This is our Haldex fill tool. Also, could be confused for a penis pump.
You probably wouldn't need a penis pump if it was that. This is so fun. Are you having fun yet?
I'm just having so much fun.
Is it a cow? It is a cow.
God, it's a cow. That's amazing.
I had no idea. I did not think that was actually a cow when I asked that question. Oh my god.
This is hilarious. A cow. I've never been fixing a car in a parking lot.
Listening to a cow.
Oh, Jesus.
Good job, Paul.
I blame
The cow agrees.
I blame the cow.
He's distracting you.
This is like a marriage. It's not pretty. It's not perfect. But it's there, all right? Violence sometimes.
Stay in the road, Paul.
Jesus.
Oh my God, Paul.
Why do you do
Slingshot engaged.
Slingshot engaged.
And Paul is slowing you down.
It's so nice to see somebody else do that. Today, in bad decisions, we're gonna make a super bad decision. These are 17s off of, this is off of my wife's Passat from many years ago. 17s it is. You see these sweet 5-spoke 17-inch wheels? You see that? I knew I kept these wheels for a decade for a reason.
For your ex-wife's car? Or your wife's ex-car?
Well,
Your ex-wife's ex-car?
I don't have an ex-wife yet.
That you know. That's the spirit. Yeah. Horn works with the key out. My car does not do that.
It shouldn't work, I don't think.
It does.
I see that.
Prefer you wouldn't do that.
Are you taking pictures? Are you gonna take pictures?
Are you gonna take any pictures?
Sure. Oh, they sent us a koozie.
Don't operate heavy machinery
While using your new koozie.
while using your koozie. We have a DIY on MQB 180 or 2-liter turbo downpipe. It's probably a little more thorough than this particular video.
We cut out all of the shaking in that one that we did.
There's no struggling in that video
Because we edited it all out.
edited it because
Ha-ha! You didn't unclick it from the god clip, you mother.
it took on.
All right, Rick's turn.
I wanted to tag in.
Did you just call him Rick?
My name's not Rick! My name's not Rick!
We keep numbers growing like this, I'm going to buy a tractor. You can just write that down in your little book. If you like to smoke, don't do it around people. That's what publicly means. Publicly means around people. Don't do it in my house. If I catch you in my greenhouse smoking, I will park a car against the door and I won't let you out until next event. I'll leave the car here.
Is there anything else for you? Intake?
I'm a little disappointed right now. Off-road ready, stuck on a little flat piece of ground.
Oh! No!
Locked and loaded. I feel like that's a dad joke.
Well, you're a dad.
That's what a dad says when you're in the car and everybody has their seatbelts on. Then you say locked and loaded. We're gonna throw this stuff on, and we have completed our oil change DIY. This isn't on there. We're gonna pop our engine cover on, and we have now completed.
We've completed our engine oil change DIY. I think we made it worse.
Our toolkit is now open and we have sockets flying all over the truck.
That's amazing.
It's not nearly as bad as I thought. Oh no, it's much worse. There's a sockets over there too. Oh, and there's a bunch here too. They're everywhere. It's as bad as we thought.
Who's rocking out? Is that a Jesus hymn?
This is Christ the Savior is born.
Is it really?
It's definitely a Christmas song.
Oh, yeah.
The radio's on in here.
What? In the Alltrack? In the Alltrack?
Yeah.
Dude, that's your phone.
Oh my God, it is my phone. Oh my God. That's amazing. It is Christmas music.
Why are you listening to Christmas music?
I wasn't. It just. That's
I was like, man, that's really loud.
Paul is not the adventure guy.
Oh, dude, we gotta go to this barbecue. We can't spend 2 hours dicking around over here.
5 minutes. Oh.
I put in the top, then I put in the bottom, then I put in the middle. But what I should have done was put in the middle, then just about any other way than I did. factory Alltrack have turning lights that light up the road when you're turning left or right, but because they're on our bull bar, it looks absolutely ridiculous when you drive it. Because they switch turning on left or right as you turn. So we're gonna remove. Oh, is it? You can wear it like a hat.
Looks like a Rasta.
Right near the beach. If I wasn't Jamaican, then I would wear this hat. Dealing with seatbelts that aren't exploded, because if you drop them, oh my goodness.
What? What was that? What did y'all buy?
Don't worry about it.
I was told to shoot, I have to shoot an outro next time.
That's it? Just next time. That's our whole outro?